It's fall time, y'all. Hey guys, so in today's video we're going to be giving my room a fall makeover. I am so excited. I love watching these type of videos. I love creating these type of videos. But before I get into showing you guys what decor and stuff I have, I'm going to give you guys an overview of how my room currently looks so that you guys can see, and then we'll go from there, and then I'll show you guys the decor and stuff that I got. I'm so excited. I love this time of year. It's my favorite. I don't celebrate Halloween at all, but I do like fall. Like, I love the fall theme. It's chef's kiss. So let's get into the room overview. Okay, so when you come into my room, here's my door, and then here we have my end table that it's gonna look so different when I'm done to redecorate for fall. Then I have my, you know, room like decor stuff already up. Here's my bed. I have my green covers, and then I have my clothing rack here, and then my books and stuff up there, and then my mirror and all that stuff, my desk and all that stuff. So all of this is gonna look totally different once I'm done, but I'm excited. So let's get into showing you guys the decor. Okay, so I have some of my fall decor here, and then the rest is in there that I'm going to show you guys. So starting off with, first I have this pillow, and it says let's snuggle and watch scary movies. I'm trying to depend if I want to put this on my bed. I don't know, but we'll see. I don't know. The next pillow I have is this pumpkin pillow, and I don't know, I forgot where I got this from. I've had this for like 2 years now, so I don't really know where I got this from. Then I have this pumpkin here, this pumpkin decor. It did light up, but it broke, and I had got this from Target, I believe, and it was like $1, and I was like, okay. And then the next thing I got, I have like one little mini pumpkin that I'll probably put on my end tables and stuff. And then I have my like little Halloween cover. I didn't get to get a fall like solid color blanket, so I just used this. And then the next decor I have, I just got this pumpkin from Goodwill, y'all. It was 49 cents, and it lights up, but I think it's broken, and I just got it because it was cute and glittery. And then I have this little wall decor piece that says Hocus Pocus. I love this movie, by the way. This movie is so good. And I got this from Family Dollar a long time ago, and it was $3. And then in here, I have like 2 more mini pumpkins. And then I have a fall pillow that says thankful, and I'm obsessed. I forgot where I got this one from. I'm not really sure where I got this pillow from, but I love it. It's super cute. And then recently, I'm missing something, y'all. Hold on. I'm missing a decor piece in my room. Oh, that's weird. Okay, but recently I went to Goodwill and I got this little fall decor hanging thing, and it says it's finally fall, and I'm gonna put that right like by my door. And I'm missing a piece. I don't know where it is. I'll be right back. I found it. And then I have this one that I got from Goodwill, which was 99 cents, and it says give thanks. I thought this was super cute, so I'm excited for my decor and to start decorating my room. But y'all, I don't want to keep my green comforter on. I want to keep my white one on, but I don't know where it is. So I need to go find it, and then we can start decorating. Okay guys, so I ended up putting my white comforter set in our attic, and our attic, and I can't get that down, so we're just gonna stick with my green comforter set. It's okay, it's still giving fall colors, it's fine. But let's decorate my bed first, and then we'll go around my room and do all that other stuff. My room is finished. I'm obsessed. I love it. I didn't really have that many decorations, so it didn't take me that long to do, but now I'm gonna give you guys an overview of how it looks currently. And yeah, I'm so excited.